Yes, people. Good evening. Yeah, man. Mr. Amir, this man. So, Mr. Amir Bush. Everything match. You see it? So today, I'm going to talk some facts, you know. I tell you. You have to sense everything in this world, you know. All about scammer there. You understand? Scammer there everywhere, in every country. All in the US, yeah. A whole heap of scammer there in the US. So you have to be careful. Remember me tell you. Yeah, no matter about Jamaica and scamming, I yes a scam there. Yeah, so me I gonna tell you a true story, you know. Mr. Me join one credit union bank in West Orange. You understand? Me I tell you, you know, so when me join the bank, my credit score there at 800. Credit score there, you know. And me say me join the bank, me I say, all right. Then say they lend money and thing, and you know, say true, Mr. Amir always have a business plan. Yeah, so we get up $8,000 and put in the bank. And you know, make it there over a year and thing and go ask them for your loan. You understand and think. I remember say me I work, you know. You understand? So me I working man, me I get a paycheck every 2 weeks. And my credit score at 800. You understand? So that's a solid credit score in the US. You don't know, so if I'm join the bank, the credit score just go down. Yeah, me I tell you, I'm gonna take a loan from them, and my credit score just go down. That time my credit score reach 698. You understand? For me join that the bank, you know. You understand? I remember say me join whole heap of bank in the US. Me join Wells Fargo, me join Chase, me join Bank of America. And then the thing never happened to me. Me say for me join a credit union bank in West Orange. It come like how much my credit mash up. Yeah. And Mr. Mayor there, and Mr. Mayor trusting a 3 car me trust, included the one where me in right now. And me pay for my vehicle them, you understand? And go one more one little money and pay off everything. Mr. Mayor never have a late payment now nothing. You understand? So when me see it go on and now me ask them for a loan, tell them say I want $30,000. People them are gonna tell me say me can't get $30,000 for borrow. You understand? And me have $8,000 in my bank. Me have to say, what is this? So when me check it out now, it's a scam. So I go and I go take out my money and close the account. So when I close the account, me hear he tell us, say, Jesus God. He come like everybody are closing account in this bank. But me I can tell you where bank is a racist bank. Me I tell you bank racist. So what they do now, then take black people money and take it and lend it to you rich and famous white. I tell you, that then do you know, in bank, you know. So you as a black man will never get a loan from them. And if you go there with a good credit, it go down to zero. I tell you, you know, cut them off, your credit go down to zero. Me say my credit move from 800 to 698 people. I tell you, them the bank, they are not a good bank. You not put no money in a credit to them bank. It's a generalship. I tell you, if you don't have money and want to put it down in a Wells Fargo or Chase or Bank of America. Because I deal with them the bank for years and then I take my car loan them through and thing and they pay them back on me and then good. So I want to know what happened to this credit to them now. So everybody has dropped their money. I tell you, black people who don't put no money in a credit union bank. It's a robber and thief thing go on. I tell you, you will never get a loan. And your one is going to lend out to people. You understand? Over here, me have me $8,000 a night. And look why when I close my account, I $2.80 me get for my money. I remember say, you have my money I lend out to people, you know, and you still don't want to give me a loan. You understand? No, the thing don't work out. Them the wrong, brother. I tell you now to be careful like bank for the job. Mr. Amir is out. Subscribe and share. Scour. They all about in the world. You understand? Only things are just for normal people. Some people in a jacket and tie. A real scammer them. You understand? Yeah, man. Subscribe and share. Mr. Amir is out. Yeah, I'm not live you tell. See ya. I can close it and take out my money out there. I'm going to use my money to do my business.